Alright, so I'm going to plant some seeds today to get these started for that big raised bed that we built. So this is what I'm doing. I'm doing the Big Max pumpkins and the Sugar Baby watermelons is what's going to be going in that big raised garden bed. So I'm not planting a lot because we don't need a lot, so I'm just going to do 8 of each and we'll see what happens. Let's see, mixed. Alright, that gave us a little more, right? Alright, so here's a little update on these plants. Everything's starting to green up a little bit now. This is where I put that chocolate mint plant. They love sun, and we grew it under the deck, not under the deck, but under the covered part of the deck a few years ago, and it did well, but I feel like I'm going to try full sun this time and see what happens. So I put it in a little bigger pot. I may upgrade that to a bigger pot in the future. There's the banana plant. The corn plant's doing well. Aloe's looking a little rough, but it is coming back. And here is this is the pumpkins and watermelons, and pretty sure they have not sprouted yet. It's only been in here 2 days. But keeping that covered until they sprout. And this is where I just planted the basil and oregano, and we're gonna probably get 2 more herbs to go in this thing that like shade. Basil likes sun, so that's why I put basil at the very end, closest to the sun. Oregano likes part sun, so it's a little further, and probably parsley or something we'll put right here. And then this is a tomato plant that I think Nicole's going to put in a pot. It's the cherry tomatoes, so I think she may put that into a pot. Everything else is doing good. These are starting to come back. Ferns are doing well. This is what's left from all those plants. And then out here, I moved some of the lucky bamboos over here. These wildflowers are coming up in the bricks. There's where we put the zucchini. The rest of that's going to be pumpkins and watermelons. Here's the peppers. Got 1 Tabasco pepper down here, and then we're going to put 2 jumbo jalapenos right here. We just haven't got them yet. And then we've got 2 bell peppers right here. There's the strawberries, and here is the Better Boy 3 tomatoes. So 3 is, you may have seen in some of my other videos, 3 is kind of our standard now. We've learned our lesson over the years on how many plants to put in for our needs. Let's go see what Nicole's done in the front yard. A few marigolds. Looks like some petunias out here. We've put all kinds of plants over there over the years. We've got some begonias that are actually coming back. These are the ones from last year, this red and green plant that's coming back there. Looks like those are the only ones that came back this year. Sometimes they come back, all of them. It's got some marigolds in there. That's coming back. So we trim that up. We used to have begonias right here too, and they would come back, but I don't see them. We've had these two little pine trees for years too, and they've grown really well. And this front area we always put usually morning glories, but I'm not sure if we're going to do that this year or not. And then this is the last bit of it, is these two cement planters to put something in, and then we're done with planting.